Does this celebrity LED influencer mask live up to the hype? In my experience, the answer is a definitive yes. I've been using this Omnilux Clear LED mask for over a year now, and despite looking like something out of American Psycho, it has consistently cleared my acne and given my skin a nice glow every single time. Besides just being the #1 dermatologist recommended LED mask, this mask also comes with a portable charging remote so that you can control it and move around while you wear the mask, unlike a lot of other LED masks that basically keep you stuck on your bed or wherever you're lying down to use it. And even though the price tag is kind of hefty, I would say it's worth every dollar because one, skincare is one of those things that you don't want to skimp out on, especially as you get older and your skin also gets older with you. Two, because this is literally the best in class LED mask on the market. So if you're going to go for one of these solutions, you might as well get the best brand that is built to last. And three, because you can get 10% off if you use my discount code, since Omnilux decided to partner with me after I bought this mask myself, used it for an extended period of time, and reached out to them telling them how much I liked the results. And I didn't even get 10% off when I got this mask. So you're welcome. So if you're looking to get the #1 dermatologist recommended LED mask used by celebrities, influencers, and skincare enthusiasts worldwide, or if you already knew about Omnilux and were just looking to find a Omnilux discount code, use the link in the description below, pick one up for yourself today, and you're going to be set.